Irish plum cake. A dessert from Ireland. Serves 4. You will need 15 ingredients. Step 1. Cream butter with sugar until fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time and beating well after each addition. Beat in the syrup, almond extract and ground almonds. Step 2. Reserving half cup of the flour, sieve the remainder with baking soda and salt. Add flour mixture to butter mixture alternately with the milk, beating well after each addition. Step 3. Coat sultanas and currants with reserved flour and fold into batter along with grated peels. Step 4. Mix well and pour into a well-buttered tube pan, distributing batter evenly. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 to 1 3/4 hours. Let pan cool for 45 minutes,
CountryReports,
then turn out onto
culture,
wire rack to
countries,
further cool.
travel.